Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find a Telegram group. Start by identifying your interests and local communities to narrow your search. Use Telegram search, channel directories, and social media to locate active groups and public chats. Check group descriptions, member counts, and recent messages to judge activity and relevance. Respect group rules and introduce yourself briefly to connect. Be cautious with links and invites from unknown sources to stay safe. In Telegram, use the built-in search to find public groups by keyword. Combine keyword search with channel directories, Reddit posts, and niche forums for broader results. Try joining related channels first to discover linked group invites. Use location tags and language filters to find local or language-specific groups. Evaluate group activity by recent posts and member interactions before committing. Always follow group rules and mute notifications if the chat becomes too noisy. Prioritize safety when joining Telegram groups by checking admin profiles and public activity. Never share personal ID, bank details, or passwords in group chats. Be skeptical of unsolicited links and ask for context before clicking anything. Use two-step verification on your account and adjust privacy settings to limit who can add or message you. Report spam or harassment to Telegram and immediately leave groups that feel unsafe or violate guidelines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.